Good morning. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I will Kelly Pilucernas, age 43, college attend at University Arroyo, Cabanatuan City. Also, I take housekeeping TESDA, and then I take their housekeeping services to the guests, public area and facilities, how to handle and safety, health and safety services, uh, high hygiene, also providing for good services for the guests, and then how to handle toxic guests. This time, if you hire me, there are my strength. I am responsible, honest, time management, creatively, and friendliness. Also, I have work experience from Brunei, Darussalam. I worked there 8 years and 9 months. And then I have already experienced there how to provide and give my activities and duties and responsibilities. Also, I want to willing work in Magsaysay. If you give me a chance and opportunity, I do my best. I do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. And then also, I want learning, new process learning, and then new things. Uh, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity you give me. And also thank you for um, considered my job application. Thank you very much. That's all.